Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inspire. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, where we learn, explore, and grow together. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I'll show you how you can create AI-generated videos from images using just your smartphone's cell phone file. So, first things first. I'm using an app called YT Create. You can easily download it from the Play Store or App Store. Once downloaded, just open the app and sign up or log in using your email. After logging in, you'll see the home screen like this. Now, click on the Generate Video option. Here, you need to add your images. You can select 1, 2, or even 3 images, totally up to you. For this example, I'm adding a few images. Now comes the important part. Write a description of what kind of video you want to generate. For example, I'll type, I want to create a hyperlapse style video from these images. Once you're done, simply click on the Generate button. Now the app will take a few seconds to process your images and create the video using AI. And boom! Your video is ready. You can preview it here and see how the AI has transformed your images into a video. Now, if you want to edit your video, you'll find a timeline and multiple editing tools here. You can apply filters, paint palette, add effects, sparkles, remove background, extract or replace audio, musical note, replace images, and even edit the generation again. Just click on Edit Generation if you want to modify your images or description and regenerate the video. Personally, I found this app super easy to use. I've been creating short videos, Reels, and YouTube Shorts using this tool, and the results are amazing. So yeah, that's how you can create AI videos from images using your phone, completely free. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up, like, repeat button, share, bell and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. I'll see you in the next video.